Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your GMC Sierra without keys, focusing on the most common and effective non-destructive method. We'll cover the specific tools you'll need, walk through the process step by step, and discuss when it's best to call in a professional. This guide aims to help you regain access to your truck safely and efficiently, ensuring minimal risk of damage to your vehicle's doors or locking mechanisms. Let's get started. To safely unlock your GMC Sierra, you'll need a few key items. First, an air wedge or a sturdy plastic wedge is essential to gently pry open a small gap in the top corner of your door frame. Next, a long reach tool, typically a metal rod with a hook or loop, will allow you to reach inside and manipulate the door lock or handle. Always use non-marring tools to protect your vehicle's finish and weather stripping during the process. Let's walk through the unlocking process. Begin by carefully inserting your wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame. Inflate the air wedge or gently push the plastic wedge until you create a small, consistent gap, typically around 1/2 inch wide. Next, carefully slide your long-reach tool through this opening. Guide the tool towards the interior door handle or the power lock button. Once you've engaged the mechanism, activate it to unlock the door. Then slowly remove your tools. While a DIY approach can be effective, knowing when to call a professional is crucial. If you're unsure about using the tools, or if you're concerned about potentially damaging your vehicle's paint or electronics, it's always best to contact a certified locksmith or roadside assistance. They possess specialized tools and expertise to unlock your GMC Sierra quickly and without any damage, often in just a few minutes. Prioritizing safety and avoiding costly repairs is always the smartest choice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.